Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol.
Today we're going to learn how to draw a snorkel. Let's start off with a big bean shape like so. Then, draw a smaller bean shape inside of it for the goggle frame. Underneath the goggles, draw an oval for the mouthpiece, followed by a tall backwards L shape that connects to the mouthpiece. At the top, draw a short line that curves upward, and another L shape that goes back to the mouthpiece. Add a short stripe at the top to finish off the breathing tube. Draw 2 lines between the goggles and the tube for the head strap. To draw the head, add a curve here from the bottom left of the goggle, around the mouthpiece, and to the bottom of the tube. And 2 dots for the eyes. Or, you can draw 2 angled lines like so to make the goggles look reflective. And now you've got a snorkel.